Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic. This morning I saw a video by Treasure Books here on YouTube, and she made a swatch book using parts from an accordion folder or an accordion folio. I decided to give this a try, but I didn't have those parts from the accordion folio, so I used 3mm sealed laminate to make it. So this is what I came up with. And what this swatch book is, you can use the pages to store stickers and washi tape, whatever you choose. And there are a variety of ways that you can make this. I'm just showing you this one way that I did it. I will link to her video in the description box below so you can go and check it out. But I thought this was a cool, fun project to make on a Saturday morning. So I laminated or sealed 2 pieces of laminate. I did a 5mm piece and a 3mm piece. I wanted to see which one would be best for this project. So I'm just folding over this 5mm laminate to see how it folds, and it's a little stiff. So I think 3mm laminate is the best way to go. And I have quite a bit of 3mm laminate because I rarely use it, so I'm happy to use that up. So I found the center and cut the full piece of laminate in half, and then I'm going to fold each half in half. Run it back through the laminator with it folded to really seal that crease in. This one piece of laminate gives me 2 sheets. So now that I have the 2 sheets, I'm going to test to make sure that if I put stickers on here that I will be able to remove them. These stickers are stickers from Walmart, and I thought they would be a good test option. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just placing the sticker on and just making sure that it is going to be easy to remove, and it seems to work fine. I don't know if that's going to work over time, but I will test it after the stickers have been on it for a while to make sure. And here I know the washi tape will come off easily. I'm pretty much getting a feel for how I want to decorate this. I'm sorry if you hear dog barking. My neighbors are up to something, so I don't know what's going on over there. But anyway, so I'm happy with how this looks. So I'm getting out a couple more sheets of laminate. Again, I'm using the 3mm laminate, and I'm just sealing the empty pouch. I'm not sure what brand laminate this is, but it does get air bubbles in it for some reason, even though there's nothing in it. But I want to use it up, so this is a great project for using this. And these make great gifts too. If you want to send like washi samples or stickers in Happy Mail. They also are great for travel. So if you want to just put in a few washi samples to travel with, some stickers to travel with, it's very slim line, and you can make it any size you want. So here I'm cutting the 2 pieces of laminate in half. And I have more than what I need, so I'm going to use 4 sheets to make my swatch book. So here I'm repeating the same process I used with the other 2 sheets, folding in half, burnishing it with my bone folder, and sending it back through the laminator to reinforce that fold. And I'm also using the We Are Memory Keepers Crocodile to round my corners. So again, I'm just putting the pages together, testing to make sure everything is going to fit the way that I want. So with these 4 sheets folded in half, that will give me 16 pages. So I have 16 pages to fill with washi and stickers that I can use for travel. I could also just tuck this in my planner. Lots of things you can do with this. So I am making sure that all 4 sheets are pressed in that center fold really well. I'm going to take these small binder clips to hold my pages in place because I am going to stitch this booklet together. And I'm just going to use a 3-hole pamphlet stitch. I do have other videos on this channel showing how to do that. You could also check out my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for more information on the 3-hole pamphlet stitch. So I'm kind of taking the easy way out to do this. I'm using my ruler to find the center, and then I'm piercing through all the pages through the spine with my retractable awl. And then I'm lining this ruler back up to the center again, and then I'm coming over about 1.5 inches on each side and pushing the awl through to make a hole. And I'm doing it on the other end as well. So now that I have my holes, I can go ahead and stitch. I'm going to be using this embroidery floss that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and it seems very similar to other embroidery floss. I'm not sure that it's a great deal at $1.25, but in a pinch it will do. So I have my binding kit here. This would be considered a signature, a group of pages. I'm going to go ahead and stitch this together. From the inside, I'm going out through the center hole, then up, back inside through the top hole. Then I go all the way down to the bottom hole. And then I'm going to come back up and outside, then go back in through the center hole. So that's a basic 3-hole pamphlet stitch. And you want the tails of your string to be on either side of the piece that goes down the middle of the inside fold. I'm not sure you can see that here because of the glare, and I apologize for all the glare, but I am working with laminate. It couldn't be helped if I wanted to have any light. So, but yeah, and then I'm just going to tie this off, and I do a double, sometimes triple knot. You can also add a little bit of glue to your knot to make sure that it doesn't come loose. I decided I didn't want that washi on that page. I wanted it on the front page, so I'm just moving it up to the front. And I wanted a specific look for this. I wanted a floral look, but not too modern, with a little vintage look to it as well. I don't have a lot of vintage washi, so I kind of had to work with what I had. So I had this black and white butterfly washi that I added. And I had this floral washi. These are like individual flowers that you can cut out and use like stickers. So I didn't really like that on the front. I'm going to go ahead and move it to the back. So here I'm going to put some more butterfly washi down at the bottom. I like this better, and it has more of that vintage feel, even though it is a more modern design. Then I'm going to put some black grid washi down at the bottom as well. And I could cover the whole front page with washi. You have options. You can do all stickers. You could do all washi. Just depends on what you want on your swatch book. I'm doing a mixture of both. So I have these floral stickers from CHELA Creates. These are all digital stickers that in this book. I do have a discount code for CHELA Creates. I'll leave it in the description box below. But I'm just sprinkling a few of these florals on my cover. Then I'm flipping through to see what else I have. I have a few florals here from the seasonal pages, and I'm going to add those. And then finally, I have a few gold hearts from the Walmart stickers, and I am adding those in the empty spaces in between the florals. On the next page, I didn't do anything on the back of the inside cover. You can do these pages front and back. I just didn't. I wanted to play around with a different design, so I used some leaves and florals from the seasonal pages. I have a discount code for them as well. I'll list it in the description box below. Then I'm adding a piece of washi to that page as an accent. Again, And I'm running the washi the other way so that I can get a little more length in my washi. So if I was out and about and wanted to work in my journal, notebook, or planner, I could pull these right off and use items from my washi collection. I'm doing a whole page of pieces of washi here. Again, I can use these anytime. I could put this little booklet in the back of my journal. You know, the journals usually have a pocket back there. This could slide right into the back of your journal, and you have swatches of things that you can use for collage, any number of things. So here are the pages that I did in just a few minutes. I still have several more pages that I can fill with washi and stickers. You can also add the clear self-adhesive pockets to give yourself a little more storage space. So if you want to store stickers or washi cards or anything like that in this booklet, you can. So I put a self-adhesive pocket on the last page. And now I'm going to work with the tails from the stitching. You can cut those off. You can tie them in a bow, any number of things. I'm going to use them to make kind of a beaded tassel. Treasure Books added a tassel to her book. She punched a hole and kind of clipped it on. But since I have these tails that are lengthy, I figured I would use those. And instead of having them just hanging out of the bottom, I pulled them up to hang out of the top. And I'm going to use one to add some beads to. I purchased these alpha beads from Michael's on sale a little while ago, and this is the perfect project to use those on. I'm spelling out the word create. I think that's nice, short, to the point. And I'm also adding a few beads from my stash to finish up the piece. So I just tied that off and put a little glue where I tied it, and there is the bead dangle. This was a really fun Saturday craft day project. I think the bead dangle works great with it, and I think it's also a great way to have washi and stickers on the go. Also, if you are doing collages, it's a great way to have bits and pieces at hand without going through your whole stash. It's a great way to have those pieces right there and ready to collage. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, you may be interested in these other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.